In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch a video in CapCut. First, open your CapCut app so we can get everything ready. Make sure you're in a fresh project or the project that contains the clip you want to adjust. Next, import your video into the timeline. Once your clip is visible and selected, we'll move into the tool that makes this effect possible. Find and tap Retouch. This is the area CapCut uses for subtle visual adjustments, and it's exactly where the reshape options live. Inside Retouch, choose Manual. Manual gives you precise control, so you're deciding what changes happen and where they happen, instead of relying on automatic presets. Now select Slim. Even though it's called Slim, we can use it to stretch the image horizontally for a wider look. On screen, you'll see guides or handles that let you influence the frame. Gently stretch to the right and left, working from the edges toward the center. Pulling both sides evenly helps keep subjects near the middle looking natural, while widening the outer areas for that stretched feel. Take your time here, small moves go a long way, and you can always undo if something looks off. With the area defined, adjust the strength by moving the toggle circle to the left. Sliding the toggle to the left increases the widening effect for this tool, counteracting the typical slim look and pushing the sides outward. Ease the slider left a little at a time, pausing to look closely at straight lines, faces, and text. If anything starts to warp too much, bring the slider back toward the center until it feels balanced. A couple of quick tips while you fine-tune. Keep important details like faces, logos, and captions away from the outermost edges when possible, since those areas will stretch the most. If your clip has multiple shots, apply this adjustment while the target shot is selected, so you're not stretching scenes that don't need it. And remember, natural lighting and contrast can exaggerate distortion, so trust your eyes and go for a tasteful amount of widening. When you're happy with the look, you're done. You opened CapCut, imported your video, went into Retouch, chose Manual, selected Slim, stretched the sides, and set the toggle circle to the left to dial in the effect. That's all you need to stretch a video in CapCut with control and confidence. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.